कि वो इतना अच्छा लगता है, इतना अच्छा एक्टर है. And I've never had requests from my mother's friends to like, oh, when are you shooting with Fawad? Okay, oh, where can we follow him? Okay.
Alia and Fawad, you both shot for the magazine, so share your experience. How was it shooting together?
I think it's a pleasure to work with Alia. Not think, in fact, I'm quite sure of that. She's quite full of energy. She's a talented performer. And that's something that is now becoming a bit of a cliche because I think it's associated with her, how great an actor, dancer, and performer and singer she is. So in a magazine shoot, I've never seen her really shoot for a magazine. I've not seen many of her shoots. So looking at that, I think she's just on her way to, in a different, another trophy. But otherwise, I think this Filmfare cover was supposed to be with me and Shahid Kapoor, I believe. But Alia just sort of stepped in at the last minute.
Sorry, I had to make my presence felt. It was important for
I have
me.
to also butt in that Alia is probably the fastest heroine I have seen who wraps up 5 changes in 1.5 hours. And it's true. Usually heroes take 1 hour for their hair and makeup, but she is fantastic. She takes 1.5 hours for 5 changes. She's lovely.
Notice that he did not compliment me that way.
Fawad, you are lovely. Period.
No, but I think I took a lot of time. That was one of your complaints.
No, you took time. No, you didn't take any
Take
time.
time at
Bichara Fawad, I was feeling very bad for him because देख रहे हो film पे the cover he's wearing one heavy coat and all. Oh, it was so hot and Fawad was like just dying. I was feeling so bad for him. I was like, oh God. So in the name of fashion, we guys have to do a lot of things. I think you all should all clap for Fawad.
आलिया, फवाद घर घर में मशहूर है अपने सीरियल्स की वजह से, शुरुआत में, बाद में फिल्मों में आए. आपने कभी कोई इनका सीरियल देखा है कभी? और फवाद, क्या आपने कौन सी फिल्में आलिया की देखी हैं जो आपको पसंद है?
मैंने I'm aware of his serial Zindagi Gulzare, but I've not managed to see it. But actually, काम करने से पहले only I had heard so much about his serial from my mother and her friends, because they're all obsessed with Fawad. कि वो इतना अच्छा लगता है, इतना अच्छा actor है. And I've never had requests from my mother's friends to like, oh, when are you shooting with Fawad? Okay, oh, where can we follow him? Okay, can we have his number? तो वो वाला feeling होता है. So I already understood कि okay, he is very very popular. So which is why I was also very intrigued to work with him. कि देखो क्या है ये लोग सब इतना क्यों बात कर रहे हैं. And now I understand that he is a phenomenal actor and I had probably the greatest time transporting myself in another world.
Thank you.
फवाद, आपने कोई फिल्म देखी हो आलिया की जो आपको पसंद है?
Alia's, I have seen Highway. I have seen that movie. Yeah, I've seen Highway. And I think she's given a tremendous performance in that film. That's the last one I can remember. I may have seen something else. I've seen a little bit of Humpty Sharma, but my wife saw all of it. I did not get to see all of it. She saw most of it. But Highway is a movie that I saw completely from start to end, and I think her work speaks for herself. Her work speaks for herself as an actor. I think she's, तो मेरी खामखा में तारीफ करती है, but I genuinely mean that about her, that she is a phenomenal actor. I will repeat myself again, and a phenomenal performer. And I think to excel in such a young age, at such a fast pace, and actually be able to stand toe to toe with actors who have been working for years and years and years is quite a feat. Is quite an achievement. And she'll come on to you very strong. I mean, first day we shot, she just came on so strong. I was like, wow. I was not expecting this. I thought maybe we should sit down and rehearse this first. But she's so improvisational that she just immediately comes up with stuff. And then I had to like, sort of bounce off of that, which became a bit of a difficult thing for me because मुझे वैसे भी हिंदी syntax और semantics समझ नहीं आते. तो मैं आगे से line भी कोई नहीं मार सकता था.
What rubbish is talking absolute nonsense. Tell them what you don't like about me now.
What I don't like?
Tell her one bad thing.
Over competitive nature in games.
फवाद, हाय, अली फ्रॉम मूवी टॉकीज. इंडिया में आपके इतने सारे फ़ैन हैं, बहुत लोग आपके सीरियल भी देखते हैं. पाकिस्तान में आपको बहुत सारे फ़ैन हो गए. जब कोई आपकी मूवी इंडिया में रिलीज़ होता है, क्या सेम टाइम में पाकिस्तान में भी रिलीज़ होता है? बिकॉज बहुत सारी मूवी पाकिस्तान में रिलीज़ नहीं होती है.
अच्छा, सर आपकी आवाज़ इतनी मफल्ड आ रही थी.
सॉरी, एक्चुअली इंडिया में बहुत सारे आपके फ़ैन हैं, आपके सीरियल भी बहुत पसंद करते हैं. ऑब्वियसली पाकिस्तान में बहुत लोग आपको चाहते होंगे, बट बहुत टाइम ऐसा होता है कि सेम मूवी पाकिस्तान में रिलीज़ नहीं होती है. तो डू यू फील ये एक्चुअली नहीं होना चाहिए? क्या फील करते हो अभी?
देखिए, फिल्मों का रिलीज़ होना ना रिलीज़ होना I think is an unfortunate thing to happen, because you see this is, आप रोकने की कोशिश करेंगे किसी ना किसी तरह जो है, the film will make its way into that area. So eventually I think audiences do get to see it. वो जो शायद सिनेमा गोअर्स हैं, जो शायद सिर्फ सिनेमा में जाके देख सकते हैं, probably elderly people, अब तो उनको भी access है. They'll find some way or the other. कोई DVD कहीं से ले आएंगे, कुछ कर लेंगे. So I think what only happens, उसका सिर्फ नुकसान ही होता है दोनों parties को. I think कि you know it economically hurts any person who is involved in the business. तो दूसरी चीज़ मुझे सिर्फ ये लगता है कि I understand and I completely understand why there are censorship laws in every country around the world. But do they really reflect accurately? That will always remain a question. क्योंकि आप और मैं सब के सब जब जाते हैं हम कहते हैं कि यार ये फिल्म क्यों बैन होगी, इतनी ज़्यादा कट क्यों गई? Like अभी एक कंट्रोवर्सी चल रही है कि नीरजा शायद बैन हुई थी, लेकिन कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि वहाँ पे was not even presented to the censors for approval in the first place. तो ये एक बड़ी कंट्रोवर्सी चल रही है, but otherwise I think there's some wonderful films that are still playing in Pakistan. So unfortunately it happens on some occasions, and I can understand the censor board, but my only point is कि किसी ना किसी तरह हर कोई देख लेगा फिल्म को.
Members of the media, last question.
Okay,
Hi,
we'll
Alia.
take two questions.
Yeah.
Two questions.
हाय आलिया, हाउ आर यू? ओके, मुझे पूछना है कि बॉलीवुड के बहुत सारे बड़े दिग्गज रीजनल मूवीज में आ रहे हैं, जैसे कि अक्षय कुमार ने मूवी बनाई है मराठी, अजय देवगन है, संजय लीला भंसाली है, विद्या बालन डेब्यू करने जा रही है अभी नेक्स्ट मंथ मराठी में. कोई ऐसी रीजनल लैंग्वेज या रीजनल मूवीज में आप एक्ट करना चाहेंगी, या आपकी कोई रीजनल फेवरेट लैंग्वेज?
Just thinking, my dad keeps pushing me to watch regional films. उन्होंने कहा था कि मुझे बंगाली फिल्म ज़रूर करनी चाहिए. But I think I've always wanted to work with Mani Ratnam. So maybe I'll go down south and I'll do a south film and I'll work with Mani sir too.
वे इन महाराष्ट्र कोई मराठी आप कुछ बोल सकते हैं?
मराठी, अरे मेरे को एक लाइन दो, मैं मराठी में बोलती हूँ. मला माहित नाही.
फवाद को बोल दीजिए.
मला मराठी माहित नाही.
फवाद को बोल दीजिए, तू खूप छान दिसतोस.
तू खूप छान दिसतो.
क्या है? मुझे
I know,
छान के
I
क्या
know,
करना
I
है?
know. हडू 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 means slow ना. हाँ.
One
पता है
last
थोड़ा सा.
question.
Right there.
आलिया, स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर के सीक्वल की भी बातें चल रही हैं, तो आप सीक्वल में काम करना चाहेंगी या इंटरेस्ट रखती हैं सीक्वल में काम करना?
हम कपूर एंड सन्स का सीक्वल भी बना सकते हैं, उसके बारे में ज्यादा बात करते हैं.
स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर का बन रहा है सीक्वल?
हो सकता है, it should be made a sequel.
Okay.